Hi trail travelers, this is Carrie, and today we're going to talk about a common problem that happens with Jeeps, and that is the steering wheel getting off center. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I've got my my tires are straight and my steering wheel is off about 30 degrees, about the 1 o'clock position. And it's a very easy fix, but we need to get under the Jeep and I'll show you how to do it. So stay right there. We'll be right back. All right, so this is the drag link, and this is what adjusts the steering wheel. So we want to make sure that the steering wheel is straight when the tires are straight. So pretty simple. We're going to take a 15 millimeter socket, and we're just going to loosen this guy up. There we go. You can see this is just a collar that tightens down around this. And now we can adjust it by turning this. And we want to make sure that we're turning it the right way. So this really helps if you have someone else inside that can look and tell you if you're going in the right direction. So we're going to give it a couple turns and then we'll go check the steering wheel. So we want to, you always get it backwards the first time. You want to go basically clockwise to turn the steering wheel counterclockwise. So time to take another check. All right, almost perfect. And we'll just tweak it a little bit more. And then what you want to do is you want to go out and take it for a drive. You know, not far, just around the parking lot, whatever, just to make sure that your tires are straight and the steering wheel is straight. And if you need to, make a little adjustment. That's why this is much easier to do with the second person, to make sure you get it as straight as possible the first time so you can eliminate having to tweak it to get it just right. But it's so easy to do that you can just drive to work, make an adjustment, drive home, make an adjustment. You don't have to get it perfect because it doesn't affect anything, but make sure that you get it as straight as possible because it feels better when you're driving. So once you have it, all we have to do is flip the switch on the wrench, tighten it back up, and it's good to go, and we're back to having a straight steering wheel. So there you have it, folks. How to straighten the steering wheel on your Jeep. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. All it takes is a 15 millimeter socket, and you have all the tools that you need to get this job done. And like I said, you may need to take it for a little drive, make a little adjustment here and there. Not a big deal. It's very easy to do. You can do it anywhere. It only takes a few seconds to get it right. And if you have someone else with you who can tell you that you're going in the right direction, that helps even more. And good luck. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Carrie with Trail Traveler. Like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel out. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.